Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Now we are talking about Samsung's upcoming smartwatch Active 3. After picking up a key certification in China earlier this week, the upcoming Galaxy Watch reappeared in database of another regulatory agency, namely the FCC. The next-gen Galaxy Watch bearing model number SMR 845 and SMR 855 got listed at the FCC earlier today. With some interesting specs in tow, the model number correspond to the LTE variant, whereas the Wi-Fi only models, which have not appeared at the FCC yet, should bear a model number SMR 840. These are the specs revealed by the FCC document for the next-gen Galaxy Watch. The filing includes the sketch of the smartwatch backside, confirming the circular design with the 45mm stainless steel case, Gorilla Glass, GPS, and LTE connectivity. Keep in mind that even the FCC sketch mentioned the stainless steel construction. The Galaxy Watch should be also released in aluminum and titanium, as reported by the Sam Mobile last week. This sketch also suggests that the Samsung's next smartwatch will simply call the Galaxy Watch. However, the Galaxy Watch Active 2 backside doesn't feature a model's full name, so there is no guarantee yet the upcoming Galaxy Watch would be called the Galaxy Watch 2 or the Galaxy Watch Active 3.